What's up, YouTube, and welcome to today's video. This is our drawing giveaway video. A few days ago, when we were about 30 subscribers away from 3,000, I put out a video talking about a free giveaway that we're going to do of this electronics organizer right here. Basically, this is, you open it up here, you've got some straps and you've got some pockets for your electronics and cables and that sort of thing, battery chargers or what have you. And I wanted to do this giveaway as an appreciation and a way to say thank you to all of those that have subscribed over the past 3 years of this channel being sort of alive. And so we're going to do that drawing today. The stipulations for this were that you had to watch the video, you had to be subscribed, like the video, and then leave a comment in the comment section of that video. This particular video didn't perform extravagantly well as my Amazon FBA tutorial videos, simply for the reason that it was sort of off topic of what I generally post about. However, we did get right here on my computer, you can see we got 59 views, pretty low, but we got 13 comments, which is higher than average. And so we are going to do the drawing for this. Basically, we're going to be choosing the winner by comment. And so on the right hand side of my screen, you can see we have the YouTube random comment picker window open. I'm just going to paste the video URL right there, and we are going to get YouTube comments. And so it says we have 11 commenters. This kind of blocks people that post more than one comment as in effort to win that. And so we're going to click start here, and it's sifting through. It's going to pick someone at random. Whoever wins this will have 24 hours to reply. It says winner is Surf. Congrats on the milestone. I had a quick question about Scout IQ. I just got it and I've been scanning, but it doesn't show any of my Okay, so this is an FBA Scout IQ question. Cool thing is, if you look on the left side of my screen, right up here, you can see my Scout IQ triggers. That is actually scheduled to be released on February 14th at, I want to say 9 a.m. So, Surf, congratulations on winning. And then also check out on February 14th, which is 2 days away, that video that will be uploaded. There's a specific reason why I'm waiting until Friday, the 14th, for that to be released. Anyways, congratulations on winning. You have 24 hours to claim your prize. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can email me at this email address right here, and you can reach out and give me your mailing address, and I'll get this thing out to you right away. Congratulations once again on winning. Can't wait to do the next drawing at 4,000 subscribers. Let me know in the comments what you think the drawing should be, or what the prize should be for that free giveaway when we hit 4,000 subs. I look forward to hearing your suggestions and your thoughts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Congratulations once again to Surf. And hey, if you're not already subscribed, consider doing that. Be sure to leave a like on the video, and I will see you on the next video.